Hey guys, it's Jake again, and I just took out my shitty ass RSX Type S seat. You can see it's pretty worn. On the bottom there were these plastic mounts for wiring, and I just found out that the RSX Type S 2004 model, there was another person on the Club RSX forums that had trouble with the wiring, the SRS light going on and off, and I think he had the same problem as me, and that was that the belt buckle, either the seat or the belt buckle, which was from a different year, mine is an 04 RSX, and the new seat that I put in was an 03, and I guess the wiring didn't agree with the SRS unit in my RSX. So what I did was I went ahead and took off the seatbelt buckle, which is mounted on the side by a 14mm nut, so you can just break it off with a socket, 14mm socket. And I went ahead, and since the connectors on this end, this yellow connector was a bitch to even try to fit in this hole right here. So what I did was I just cut the wires and then spliced them back on with the new one, the new my original seat belt buckle, and it worked. And yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that that this may be a solution for you if you have a different year RSX and you're trying to put a different year seat on, and your SRS light will keep coming back on even though you reset it. So yeah, I'll go ahead and show you the seat. Okay, so I got my new seat in, and there are apparently two problems with the RSX seat, base model and Type S. So I found out that one, the seatbelt buckle, it doesn't matter what year it is actually. It's more of a problem with the buckle itself. They go out pretty commonly, and they turn on the SRS light even if you reset it. And I heard that you can get this a new one from Honda or Acura for pretty much free, and it seems as if this new seat rocks back and forth, and it's not because the bolts on the bottom, the rails, are not tight enough. It's because one of the spot welds on the frame of the seat is busted. So yeah, I guess I'll have to ignore it or get the frame spot welded. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this vlog. Thanks for watching. Jake out.